Hello people and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talking about zooming and how you can do that with the hotkeys. There are several ways to zoom in an image. I think that the simpler one is by hitting Control and then play with your mouse, just with the rotation, and you can zoom in and out very easily. But there are also other ways to do that, like for example, I'm going to hit like Control and plus, and Control plus and plus and plus, or Control and minus. Okay, so this is a fun way to zooming in or out. Then if you want your image to fit exactly on the screen, you have to hit Control and 0. Okay, and if you want to see the actual size in pixels, you have to click on Control plus 1. Okay, so you have Control 0 and Control 1, and again you have your Control minus or Control plus. If you want to see how you can change your keyboard shortcuts, then you have to go to Edit and then Keyboard Shortcuts. And here you have all these menus, and for example I'm going to View, right? And down here we have the options for zoom in and zoom out, fit on screen and actual pixels. I think that a lot of more advanced designers have changed these to fit on screen or actual pixels, and have it like Control plus Alt plus 0 or plus 1, because this is better for them in their keyboards. But for me, Control 0 or 1 works just fine. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you is the window and then the navigator. Okay, so you see this little space here, and again if you zoom in or out, we can see how this thing change, and you can play with this. Also, I'm going to zoom out like this, and you can see here that this value is also changing. I think this is very helpful, but again, if you are a more advanced designer, maybe you have your own way to deal with the zooming in and zooming out. Alright, this was a super quick tutorial, and thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned. Bye guys!